Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting AR face-off, Apple Vision Pro versus Magic Leap 3. These two are redefining how we interact with augmented reality in 2025. But which one is the best fit for you? Let's explore their features and differences. Starting with the Apple Vision Pro, it's all about seamless integration into Apple's ecosystem. Boasting a dual 4K micro OLED display, this device offers crystal clear visuals for immersive AR experiences. Powered by the M2 chip paired with an R1 coprocessor, it ensures fast processing with minimal lag. It's ideal for productivity and entertainment, with a sleek design and gesture-based controls. On the other hand, the Magic Leap 3 caters more to professionals and enterprise users. It features optimized spatial computing with cutting-edge waveguide technology for realistic overlays in real-world environments. The expanded field of view and precise hand tracking make it a top choice for industrial applications and collaborative workspaces. While the Vision Pro leans toward mainstream consumers with a focus on multitasking and entertainment, the Magic Leap 3 shines in specialized environments, offering unmatched AR interaction for professionals. So, which AR device would you choose to step into the future? The versatile Apple Vision Pro or the enterprise-focused Magic Leap 3? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you in the next video.